Today I'm going to teach you how to limit Google Forms to accepting only one response per respondent. This is incredibly useful when you're conducting surveys or collecting feedback and want to ensure each person can only submit their answers once, preventing duplicate entries and maintaining the integrity of your data. First, open your web browser and head over to forms.google.com. Once the page loads, you'll need to sign in using your Google account credentials. Make sure you're logged into the account that contains the form you want to modify, as this is essential for accessing your Forms dashboard. After signing in, you'll land on your Google Forms dashboard where you can see all your recent forms. Take a moment to locate the specific form you want to limit to one response per respondent. Click on that form to open it. This will bring up the form editor, where you can make all the necessary changes to your form's settings and structure. Now, direct your attention to the top toolbar of the form editor. Here you'll find several options for managing your form. Look for and click on the Settings button, which typically appears as a gear icon or is labeled as Settings. This is where all the configuration options for your form are housed, including response collection settings. Once the Settings menu opens, you'll see different sections for customizing your form. Look for a section labeled Responses and click on the drop-down arrow beside it. This will expand the Responses section and reveal all the options related to how responses are collected and managed for this particular form. Within the Responses section, you'll find an option that says Limit to one response. This is the key setting we're looking for. Go ahead and toggle this option on. When you enable this feature, Google Forms will automatically require respondents to sign in with their Google account before they can submit the form. The system will then track who has already responded and prevent them from submitting multiple entries. This ensures that each Google account can only submit one response to your form. And that's it. You've successfully configured your Google form to accept only one response per respondent, which will help you collect more accurate and reliable data without worrying about duplicate submissions. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.